Hello everyone, in this video we will be creating a CRUD application by using Node.js, React and Postgres. To do that, first go to your GitHub, then create a new repository, copy the link, go to any place in your computer, open the command line, you just say git clone the link and the link from GitHub. Later we need to copy the project folder name which we have just created, and in my case it's called PERN. Go inside it, that's nice, clear up the console. We will first create the backend part of our project and later we will create the front end. And for that reason I will be initiating an empty package.json file for the backend, npm initiate yes, and we will also install these packages, and I will be uploading this step-by-step guide to GitHub, and I will provide the link in the video description. You are welcome to use it as you want. And here we will be installing those packages, and all those packages here we will not use all of them. But you better to download it. And then meanwhile we can go to Supabase, which will host our Postgres database. Click on new project, assign a name. I will say my hometown, Silopi, type a password. You shouldn't forget your password, okay? Your password is important. Copy it and save it somewhere. I will save it right here. It's Lubumbashi 2024. Lubumbashi is a city in Congo. That's it. Click on create new project. We can now clear up the console and open the project on VS Code. We will have first a git ignore file and just put node modules here, that's it. And then a .env file, and here inside .env we will be saving our database connection string. For now let's leave it empty like this because it's not ready yet. And we will also create a server file, and we will also create a database connection file, and we will also create a client folder which will host our front-end part of the project. Now let's go to Supabase. The project is ready. Click on project settings and then click on database. There is your connection string. Copy it, go to .env, paste it right in those codes, and then just copy your password and paste it here. That's nice. So now we can start the server file. First we will be adding a very simple code. We will start to create our app variable, and then we will also create a port listening code here, and then we will be creating this database connection file, and inside this database connection file we will create an object called pool. But in any case, right now we can already put the code here so that later we can use it. And we will also use two middlewares. The first one is Course, the second one is Express.js. That's it with the server. Now we can create database connection file, and we will first load .env on this file, and then we will be having this special object from PG package which is called capital pool, and then we will be creating this pool. This, as you can see, it's a small letter pool, and here let me show you. Here we are accessing to this object. So this will be an object, and inside this object we will have two things. The first one will be the connection string, and connection string is coming from .env, as you can see. And then we also have this extra feature which will help us to easily connect with our database, and we of course export this, and that's it actually. Now if I just go here and if I say node server.js, it should work. Yeah, it works. And the next video we will be starting to create our front-end part of the project. See you in the next video. Bye bye.